hope everyone's doing really good. This is probably going to be quite a quick video. I've seen a few of these what's in my camera bag videos on YouTube before, and I've enjoyed quite a few of them, so I thought I'll just make one and run through what's in my camera bag typically in 2024. And I'll just point out this is mostly based on if I'm going out to shoot content or fly for fun with friends as opposed to going out on a client shoot, because obviously that can differ a little bit depending on what's needed for the shoot itself. I'm not scripting this or anything, so apologies if I ramble. I'll try not to. Let's have a look at what's in the bag then. So here we are inside the bag, and this is a pgytech Wanmo. It's the first Wanmo because I don't have the second one. I've had it for quite a while now and it's serving its purpose extremely well. It's the bag that I use when I want to take multiple things out, like a couple of drones and potentially the camera as well. So let's have a look inside them. Got the Avata 2 there with the goggles underneath. Potentially cut to a bit of B-roll there. The FPV controller 3, which is what I always use, and the ND filters there. Right, so we've also got the other 2 batches for the Avata 2 there, because I'm currently rocking 3, and I think that's pretty much it for Avata stuff in there. Next, Mini 4 Pro, and it's got a freewell filter on there, and they are in here, sorry. So we've got the freewell NDs for that. And we've also got the RC2, obviously. I tend to take the Mini 4 around with me instead of the Mavic. Obviously, there's a lot more freedoms with the sub 250 gram drones, but I will take the Mavic 3 out if I need it for a shoot or something in particular for what I'm doing. But most of the time, I'm quite happy just to rock the Mini 4 Pro because it is an extremely good mini drone. Let's see what else we've got in here. So this is the DJI Mic 2 pack, which is currently what I'm using right now. Extremely good set of microphones, can't recommend them enough. Next up is the Lumix S5 2X in this spot right in the middle there. Really love this camera. I've had it for almost a year now, and I tell you, for the price and the amount of features you get, it's such a brilliant deal because cameras are not cheap. And what I tend to do on these kind of missions is just attach the 20 to 60 kit lens with, you can't really see there, freewell variable ND stuck to it on there, and that does a really good job. I only actually have 2 lenses for it at the moment, which is that 20 to 60 kit lens and also the 50mm f1.8, which is an amazing lens, but I'm looking to get more of those soon. But it's just they're doing the job for me right now. They've basically dealt with anything that I've needed to whenever I've used them. And inside this bit we've got this kind of mini launch pad that I got from DJI, which does the job, if you just kind of need it in a hurry. And I do have a large landing pad as well, which I tend to keep in my car, but it's a bit hefty compared to that. That one's convenient. It just fits inside this bag and works just fine for the Mini and the Avata 2. Also, sometimes, maybe if I'm just taking the Avata 2 drone out, I will take just the hard case that I have for that, which is one I got from DJI, and it's waterproof, very solid, keeps your drone nice and safe. Just in case, if I only need to take that one drone out, then there's literally no point in taking this entire bag full of stuff. Yeah, I also have the Flymore bag that came with that as well, which I thought was actually a really good quality bag. Spoilt for choice on the bag situation, evidently. Right, so that's it for this one. Once again, big thanks for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, any of those good things. I really do appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot. In the description, there are some affiliate links for the DJI stuff if you're interested. But yeah, go and have a look at those if you fancy it. And I hope you all take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.